So you just got the American Express Gold Card and you want to learn how to use all the benefits and how to completely maximize this card. Well, in this video, we'll be diving into milking this card so that you can get the highest absolute value possible. Now this card comes with a whopping $250 annual fee, so we better profit off of our spend and our benefits. We're going to be assuming that you already activated the card and you already made an account with AMEX. Don't know how to do that? Well, when you get the card, make sure to just scan the QR code and it'll take you through a step-by-step process on how to get started with the AMEX Gold Card. Now let's get into all the benefits and all the things that you can do to maximize this card. Now the card comes with a $120 Uber Eats credit. You get $10 every month for every month of the year. 12 times 10 equals $120 in Uber Eats credits. In order to activate it, you need to download the Uber Eats app and make an account with Uber if you haven't already done so. Then add the gold card in the wallet section of your Uber Eats app. As soon as you do that, you'll see this message from Uber that says that you're getting your AMEX Gold Card benefit and you should see that $10 credited into your wallet in your Uber Eats account. Now every month after that, you'll usually just get it on the first of every month, so just expect that $10 on the first or second of every month. My biggest tip here is to only use this credit for pickup because the delivery fee is going to be somewhere like $4 and the service fee is going to be somewhere like $3, meaning that if you just do delivery, you get like a $7 charge, meaning you can only use $3 for actual food. So you can just get rid of all that by just ordering pickup and just getting it yourself. That way you can get an actual meal. I do this every month for Waba Grill. I love Waba Grill and I get one free bowl every month. Step 2, the $120 dining credit. Now just like the Uber Eats credit, you get $10 in statement credits every month for 12 months whenever you sign up for the card. That means you get a $120 dining credit every year that you have this card. But you need to actually enroll in this credit before actually using it, or else the credits won't apply to your statements. To enroll, just go to your membership tab and find the $120 dining credit section. You just scroll down in the section, you'll see this blue button that says enroll now. Then it'll guide you on all the steps, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And then after that, boom, you are enrolled into this credit. So whenever you use your card on things like Cheesecake Factory, Shake Shack, Grubhub, goldbelly.com, wine.com, or the milk bar, you'll get a $10 statement credit for that month. My tip here is to just use Grubhub, and once again, just do it for pickup. This way, you're not limited to just a crappy Shake Shack burger, and you can get a variety of different options around your area. How amazing would it be if this credit actually gave you an In-N-Out burger rather than a Shake Shack burger, because Shake Shack just honestly kind of sucks. Jerry, if you're watching this, you know that LA makes better things than New York does. Just saying. Now this credit and the Uber Eats credit gives you a value of $240 per year, and if you successfully use them, that means your effective annual fee for this card is only going to be $10 a year. Now these are just the basics. Let's get into the other things that really net you positive on this card. Perk number 3, the hotel collection. Now no one really talks about this, but the AMEX Gold Card actually comes with something called the hotel collection, where when you book 2 nights at a hotel using the AMEX portal, you get a certain amount of benefits. Now these benefits generally include a $100 experience credit that you can use for things like food, the spa, or sometimes even gambling. You also get early check-in, late checkout, and suite upgrades. Now the drawback to this is that AMEX usually inflates the prices on their portal. For example, a hotel room could be $200 a night when you look on Google, but when you look on the AMEX portal, it could be $250 a night. But if you look really hard enough, then you can actually find a one-to-one comparison on the AMEX portal compared to Google. And I think it's kind of sleazy that they don't tell you this, but AMEX does not price match on any bookings made from the Fine Hotels and Resorts program or the hotel collection. You can actually read it in the fine print of their website. So this just kind of tells me that they purposely inflate the prices by adding on the cost of the benefits to the hotel room, which just kind of sucks. I feel like they should just tell you that up front. They kind of make it seem like if you book through the AMEX portal, you get all these benefits for the same price as what you could find on Google. And that for many times is just not the case. But like I said, if you search really hard enough, you can actually find that one-to-one comparison. And my biggest tip here is to do that for Vegas on the weekdays, because then you're more likely to find that hotel collection booking that's the exact same price of what you could find on Google. For example, here's a room at the Conrad that would cost me $467.14 for a 2-night stay on the weekdays. Now, because this is a hotel collection stay, I get a $100 dining credit, I get 12 p.m. early check-in and 4 p.m. late checkout, plus I get a sweet upgrade possibly, which I actually have gotten twice before using this method. Now here's that exact same 2-night stay that I found on the Conrad website and on Google that would cost me $461, but with 0 benefits. So for $6 less, I get 0 benefits. Plus, since I've actually gotten the suite upgrade before, making it actually a viable upgrade that actually does happen, that same room night, if I booked it through Google, would cost me $608.82. So this would be a great benefit. So if you can manage to find the same exact price on the AMEX portal compared to Google, then you can get $100 to $200 in free credits, and that is the best way to use this credit. So yes, try to find that one-to-one comparison, and my biggest tip here, go for Vegas. They most likely will have a one-to-one comparison on there. Perk number 4, maximizing your AMEX points. Now the real value of this card really comes from you maximizing your AMEX points, especially when you redeem it for travel. Now AMEX really wants you to use your points to pay off your statement balance, which gives you the value of 0.6 cents per point, which is an absolutely terrible redemption rate. Or they want you to use your points on the AMEX travel portal, where you get 1 cent per point when you use your points to book anything on the travel portal. But what makes AMEX points so worth it is when you actually transfer it out to different airline and hotel partners. This is where you get the most absolute value. Let's take a look at this flight right here. It would only cost you 50,000 membership rewards points for a one-way flight from New York to Paris, business class, flying Air France. That would cost you originally $7,781. Now if we use the equation cost of travel in dollars over the points needed to book that travel times 100, we get the cent per point value of these points. 7,781 over 50,000 membership rewards points times 100 gives you the value of 15.6 cents per point. And let me tell you, that is a lot better than just a measly 1 cent per point or just 0.6 cents per point. That's kind of like saying my $1 right here is going to be worth $15.60 whenever I transfer it out to partners, and that's why it is so amazing. Now granted, these flights are a little bit difficult to find, but if you want to find these flights, use Air France or Virgin Atlantic to go to Europe, especially when you go New York to Paris and London to LAX. You can definitely find a lot of these 50,000 membership reward point flights. Now, even just for signing up for the gold card, as of right now, you get 90,000 membership rewards points. So just for signing up for the card, you get potentially 2 of these flights, which is just amazing. So yes, you're paying $250 for this card, but just for signing up for this card, I get 2 business class seats when I look for them. That is a deal of a lifetime. When you put in the work to find these really amazing flights, that's when you get the most value out of your credit card points. I mean, there is absolutely no way I'm paying $7,781 for a single flight, but I would definitely pay 50,000 membership rewards point for that. And that's why AMEX points are so important. Perk 5, use Rakuten for extra multipliers. One of the most underrated things about AMEX cards in general is that you can actually link your AMEX account to your Rakuten account, where you can earn extra membership rewards points. Now the gold card by itself earns 4 times points on dining, 4 times points on US grocery stores up to $25,000 per year, 3 times points on flights booked through the AMEX portal, and 1 times points for everything else. Now if you look in Rakuten, you can actually find a lot of multipliers for things like groceries and dining out as well. And the best part is that it's gonna add on to your gold card multipliers. For example, if you found Albertsons or Vons and it gives you 2 times cash back on Rakuten, that adds on to your 4 times points on the gold card. Now let's say I bought dinner on Grubhub for $30. Well, the gold card would give me 4 times points on that $30 purchase. Now let's say instead that I went through Rakuten and spent that exact same $30 on Grubhub, except I just used Rakuten. Well, then I would get 4 times points from Rakuten and 4 times points from my gold card, resulting me in 8 times points on that dining purchase I just made. Same goes for groceries. Let's say I found a 2 times point multiplier on Rakuten for Vons, and I get that 4 times point multiplier for my gold card. Now I get a 6 times multiplier on my grocery, which is insane. Now usually Rakuten will just send you a check on all the cash back you earned, but you can actually connect your AMEX portal to your Rakuten portal, where instead of giving you cash back, they compensate you in AMEX membership rewards points. To connect your AMEX portal to your Rakuten account, you just need to go to your Rakuten account and go on account settings. Then you find the how you get paid section and then click on the membership rewards button. It'll then prompt you to sign into your AMEX account and boom, it automatically links you. So now you'll be earning membership rewards points instead of cash back. Now, if you don't want the membership rewards points and you change your mind, you could always go back to the big fat check. All you have to do is go back to that section and click on the big fat check button, and then you'll get compensated into cash again. Now in total, I have earned 47,820 Rakuten points, which if I got in cash back, that would give me $472.80, but instead I got 47,820 membership rewards points. So if you team cash back, you can just get all the cash back that you've earned. But for me personally, I would much rather get membership rewards points because then I can use it for business class flights that would give me $7,781 in value rather than just a measly $450 in value. So you can choose whatever you want, but this just shows you the power of Rakuten. Whatever opportunity you get to stack Rakuten multipliers on top of your gold card multipliers, man, take that opportunity because you can earn literally double the points using Rakuten. I literally use Rakuten for everything, like my t-shirts, my fridge, Grubhub, like Vaughn's, Albertsons, you name it, I literally will do that, and I'll pair it with my gold card. I've even bought hotel purchases through Rakuten using my platinum card. And since the platinum card gives you 5 times points on hotels and flights, and the Rakuten portal gives you 4 times points, I literally get 9 times points on hotel bookings. Do not sleep on Rakuten if you have your AMEX account. Always make sure to link the two and maximize your spend. Perk number 6, explore your AMEX offers. Now there's this thing called AMEX offers on the membership tab when you look inside the app. Just click the membership tab, scroll all the way down, find AMEX offers, click that button, and it'll take you to the page with all the offers. Now most of them kind of suck, but there are some bangers in there if you really look. For example, here's one I found for Best Buy. You get +1 membership rewards points per eligible dollar spent. I bought a fridge this year with this exact offer, and instead of getting just 1,100 membership rewards points, because I activated this offer, I now get 2,200 membership rewards points. And just to go a step beyond that, I'm going to make sure that I can use this purchase on Rakuten as well, and boom, Best Buy is most likely on Rakuten, so I get 2 times to 4 times points on Rakuten. Plus with this AMEX offer, I get 2 times points, so therefore this purchase I earned 6 times points because I went through Rakuten and I activated my AMEX offers. So instead of earning a measly 1,100 membership rewards points, I received 6,600 membership rewards points because I was willing to look on Rakuten and I activated this offer. AMEX offers plus Rakuten is the most underrated slept on combo in all the credit card game. You earn so many more membership rewards points this way. You'd be surprised to see how many things that Rakuten actually has. It's pretty useful. My biggest tip here is if you have a big purchase for anything like a table, a fridge, or like, I don't know, flooring or kitchen stuff, make sure to check on Rakuten first and your AMEX offers. That way, for your big purchases, you can get a ton more membership rewards points. After doing all of these 6 things, you will absolutely maximize your gold card and get every single benefit possible from the card. Yes, the card has an annual fee of $250, but after going through all the benefits of this video, you can definitely see that it is definitely worth just $250, especially if you love to travel and you can utilize those points to transfer it out to different partners. If you have any more questions about the gold card, feel free to ask me anything in the comments below. My channel is pretty small, so I definitely have the time to comment down below for you guys. Now, if you want to know if the AMEX Platinum card is worth it in 2024, make sure to check out this video right here. Man, thank you guys so much for watching these videos. It really does mean a lot to me. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click that like button and subscribe. It would really mean the world to me. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Woo!